Shabby chic is more than just a decorating style, it's a feeling. With its delicate balance of vintage elegance and casual comfort, shabby chic design has a way of making homes feel effortlessly lived in, welcoming, and full of character. While it rose to popularity in the late 1980s and 90s, today's modern homes are embracing a revived, refined version of shabby chic, one that blends old-world charm with modern-day functionality. At its core, shabby chic is about celebrating imperfections. It often features distressed furniture, time-worn textures, romantic florals, and soft, neutral color palettes like whites, creams, soft grays, and pastels. Originally, it leaned heavily into feminine details, lace, antique frames, and ruffled linens, but the modern take is more balanced, streamlined, and thoughtfully curated. We often see today's interior design trends favor minimalism, sleek lines, and high-function layouts. So how does something as nostalgic and layered as shabby chic work in a modern home? The answer lies in contrast and intentionality. Shabby chic adds warmth and softness to contemporary spaces that might otherwise feel cold or sterile. A distressed wood table can break up an all-white modern kitchen. An antique mirror adds charm to a minimalist entryway. Linen drapes or vintage throw pillows can bring texture and coziness to a sleek modern sofa. Rather than overpowering a space, shabby chic accents in modern homes are often used sparingly, one standout piece or layered detail at a time. This gives the home a touch of soul without making it feel overly themed or cluttered. Shabby chic resonates deeply. It invites us to slow down, appreciate handmade and repurposed items, and create spaces that feel deeply personal and comforting. Modern shabby chic isn't about recreating grandma's cottage. It's about blending the elegance of the past with the simplicity of the present. It allows homeowners to tell a story through design, layering memories, textures, and styles to build a space that feels not just stylish, but truly like home. Which idea spoke to you the most? Was it the chalk paint furniture or those layered textiles? Drop your favorite in the comments below. And if you're craving more inspiration, check out my video on easy home decor tips that instantly elevate your space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cozy, beautiful design ideas.